Hello everybody, I'm Josh Korick and this is your Blue Edge Energy Weekly Natural Gas Market Update. If you want to learn more about us, visit our website found right here or find us on Facebook. We have videos like this also on YouTube and LinkedIn as well. Let's jump right into it. The June natural gas contract is currently priced at $1.68.1. That's down 21.3 cents since last week alone. If we look at where the gas settled in the month that we're currently in May, it ended at $1.79.4. And if we look to next winter strip pricing, which is November through March of 2021, it's at $2.79. That's down 7.8 cents since last week. Now let's take a look at this week's storage report. The EIA storage report for this week showed an injection of 103 BCF of gas into the ground. That puts our overall inventory at 2,422 BCF. We're currently 799 BCF above where we were last year and 413 BCF above where we on a 5-year moving average. Now let's take a look at the futures price. Again, for next winter, we see that price is at $2.79, and that's down 7.8 cents. If we look to the winter after that, it's at $2.77.1. That's down a mere penny since last week. Meanwhile, if we look at the calendar strip price, that's equal volumes throughout the entire year, kind of like a cheese plant would be. For 2021, it's at $2.67, and 2022 is $2.49. When we look at the local cash out for folks that are in our program that index to a local index point, Chicago or Ventura, the Chicago gas cash out price is $1.53.5. That's down a dime since last week. And the exact same price rests for Ventura, $1.53.5. That's down 8.5 cents since last week. Let's take a quick look at the weather. Thankfully, here in Wisconsin, we're finally getting some good weather as I speak right behind me here. The next week forecast looks like it's going to be in the 70s or at least the upper 60s and look phenomenal. For the national forecast, it's looking like the weather will be above normal throughout most of the country except for parts within the Rockies, but who really cares what's going on out there? All I care is that it looks nice here and it's not rainy and miserable. A few last parting notes. The June contract, which will be falling off here in about a week and a half, has seen highs all the way up to $2.16 and even went as low in this last week to about below $1.60. So the bulls took over, it came back down and it's inclined here in the last day or so. But we believe that the pricing for this coming month and the summer is going to remain tepid and under the $2 range. And the other reason for that is our storage reports. The EIA is projecting that the gas storage report that we will go into next winter with record inventories of natural gas in the books. That's going to put a lot of downward pressure. We have seen a ramp back in production, but with the coronavirus, we've seen a major pullback when it comes to usage as well. And the other main factor is the liquefied gas that was to go out of country has been curbed and cut back tremendously from 9.1 BCF a day down to 5.5. And those numbers are kind of hard to understand. I mean, that's a 50% cut. That gas then has to go somewhere and it stays in the US economy as well. So on behalf of myself, Blake, TJ, Karen, and all of us here, we really appreciate you and hope you have a wonderful weekend with your family and your colleagues. Well, maybe not your colleagues this weekend, maybe just your family. But in any case, we'll talk to you next week. Take care.